Hi there, this is Angie with ICT Transfers. Hope everyone's having a great afternoon. So, one of the things that becomes an issue when you're printing DTF transfers is you have to create a gang sheet or whatever your file is, make it into a PNG. Then you have to open it and do some things and save it as a TIFF. So it can be a lot of files moving in addition to your regular design files. What I have found most useful is an external hard drive. I have it plugged into my designing computer, and then I actually have my main top and Print XP on a separate computer. If that's not how yours is set up, that's perfectly fine. Just leave your external hard drive plugged into your one computer. But what I do is I will export them as a PNG, but I always do it to this external drive. So when I'm going to print, I have the folder set up as to print on this external hard drive, and then when they're done. So for today, for example, if I were doing this one, I actually already printed it today. I would label it, and then it's saving or exporting, I should say. Looks like it's running a little on the slow side, so please forgive me. Next, we're going to open, and I have that file in the to print. So if we remember, I labeled it ICT 22324.5. So I'm going to open that file, do all of my things that I have to do to convert it to being ready to print. And then I will do a save as and save my TIFF right there. We're going to pretend that I did my white layer and all of those things. So that's where I keep all of mine. Now, what I do is the next day, I will, when I'm making my first file for the next day, I will move over anything that is not for today's printing into this done folder. And so that way I only have files sitting here ready to print that are actually ones for today. And if you look at, like I have hundreds of them that are in my done folder. Will I delete them eventually? Yes. But now is not the time because there's still things that I go back to when people want something new or want me to reprint something that they've sent me. So I'll go back and I'll just grab that file for them. But hopefully this is helpful on how I organize my files.